Alex, your hands are shaking. What happened?
Today is my first day at a new job. I am so nervous.
Did something bad happen?
Many things happened. I was scared, like I made a mistake. But in the end, something good happened.
Okay, tell us the story. And you, listening, shadow with us. Let's start.
Every morning I wake up at 6:30. I turn off my alarm. I sit on my bed. I feel tired. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Then I take a shower. The water is hot. I feel better. After my shower, I get dressed. I put on my white shirt. I put on my black pants. I put on my brown shoes. I look in the mirror. I say, I can do this. It's my first day. I can do this.
Repeat with Alex.
I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I can do this. In the kitchen, I make breakfast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink a cup of coffee. I look at the clock. It is 7:15. I check my bag. I take my phone. I take my keys. I take my notebook and a pen. I put on my jacket. I open the door. I say, bye home. See you tonight.
Let's repeat some sentences.
I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee. I check my bag. I leave my house at 7:15. I walk to the bus stop. The air is cold. I see many people. They're going to school. They're going to work. The bus comes. I get on the bus. The bus is full. There are no seats. I stand near the door. I hold the pole. I look out the window. I feel nervous. I think, what if I am late? What if I make a mistake? What if they don't like me?
Alex, you worry a lot.
Yes, I worry a lot. After 20 minutes, I get off the bus. I see a big glass building. The name is Bright Tech Office. I take a deep breath. I say, okay, let's go. I take the bus to work. The bus is full. I feel nervous. I take a deep breath. I walk into the building. The floor is clean and shiny. I talk to the woman at the front desk.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. My name is Alex. It's my first day here.
Welcome, Alex. The office is on the 5th floor.
Thank you. I go into the elevator. My heart is beating fast. Ding. The door opens. I step out.
Hi, are you Alex?
Yes, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sarah. Welcome to the team.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Come, I'll show you your desk.
Repeat these important sentences.
Good morning. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the team. Sarah walks with me through the office.
This is the kitchen. You can make coffee here. This is the meeting room. And here is your desk.
Wow, thank you. It looks great.
Today we start simple. You read emails and answer easy messages.
Okay. I will do my best. I sit at my desk. I turn on the computer. I open my email. There are many messages. I read slowly. I answer slowly. I check every word. I don't want mistakes. At 11 o'clock, Sarah gives me one important email.
Alex, can you send this file to our team, please?
Yes, of course. I add the file. I write a short message. Hello, team. Here's the new file. I click send. After 1 minute, my phone rings. It is my boss.
Alex, I think you sent the email to the wrong person.
Oh no. I look at the screen. I sent the email to the client, not to the team. My face gets hot. My hands are shaking. I say, I am so sorry. I made a mistake.
It's okay. Come to my office. We will fix it.
I go to my boss's office. I feel scared.
Sit down, Alex. Don't worry. You are new. Everyone makes mistakes.
I'm really sorry.
We will send a new email. We will say, sorry, wrong email. Please ignore this message.
We write the new email together. We send it.
See? It's okay now. Next time, check the address. But you are learning. You did many good things today.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
So, how do you feel now?
I still feel a little nervous, but I also feel proud. I went to work. I tried. I learned.
Now, shadowing practice. Alex says a sentence 2 times. You repeat with him.
I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. I learned something today. I learned something today.
Today you learned morning routine words, work words, and how to say, I made a mistake in English.
And remember, it's okay to be new. It's okay to be nervous. You can learn. You can grow.
If you want more practice, listen again and shadow again.
See you in the next story. Keep speaking English every day.